Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV. I'm your host, the Money Coach. I am not a financial advisor, just a motivational coach to get you in the game of the stock market, baby. Help you save money, not how to spend that money, but look good while you're making that money, okay? So let's get into it. Today's video, we're going to talk about, it's a very serious one, okay? The market value price, okay? Market value price. Pretty much, what is the market value price? That's when you want to buy a share of a stock right then and there for what the price is right then and there at that time. Okay, so that market value price changes. The market value represents the value of a company according to the stock market. It is the price an asset will get in the marketplace. In the context of companies, market value is equal to market capitalization. It is a dollar amount computed based on the current market price of the company's share. It changes, go up, go down. It's like stock market, baby. I told you before, up and down. Okay. Why would you buy a market limit if pretty much you want to get that stock right then and there? The price is down low, you want to buy it right then and there. You don't want to hope you get it and hope your order get filled. You want to buy it right then and there. Market value, okay? Market value price. You see what that is on Webull or whatever trading platform that you're using. Look at it and you see what the market price is. I usually try not to buy the market value price. I did at the beginning when I first started, because I just wanted to get in, just want to buy a stock. But now I know that if you do want to buy a stock, this is what I do. Don't follow me, it's what I do. But if I do got my eyes on a stock, I want to buy it, I look at the price. I've been researching it, seeing what the lowest was, what the highs was, how it's been trading, and how it's been flowing. So now I got my price that I want to pay for a stock. I get my price what I want to pay for. I don't care what they telling me the price is for. I don't care what they saying it is and how much it's worth. Everybody's buying it. It's like Airbnb. It started off at $60-something. Now it went to $144 starting off. What happened? The first day it went down. Dead drop, baby. Okay? So you don't just buy nothing because what somebody telling you. You know what I'm saying? If I tell you my show right now, I just thought I ain't even made 50 videos. My show was worth $50 million. You gonna buy my show $50 million? Because I tell you it's worth $50 million? Nah. Okay, that's like stock market, man. It's some scammers out there in the stock market and tell you, hey, my company is worth $100 a share, buddy. Go ahead and buy that. You're gonna be a fool. Go ahead and buy it. So you buy it for 100, you're gonna look in your account tomorrow. Now it's gonna be worth 85. You're like, damn, what happened? Dude told me it was 100, man. He told me that. Nah, it's gonna drop. Scammers out there too. That's why you do your research, baby. I tell you to do your research. Yahoo Finance. Go ahead. Take a stock you want to look at, get that ticker symbol. Look up Yahoo Finance. Check out their cash flow, the balance sheets. You know what I'm saying? Check who the CEO is. When you buying a stock, you pretty much put your money on the CEO. You saying, I like that dude right there, Elon Musk, for Tesla, for example. I like Elon, you know what I'm saying? This dude just moved to Texas to save all that tax money, you know what I'm saying? He trying to go out of space, you know what I'm saying? Do you see the old crazy big tank that he coming out with? I like the man's vision, you know what I'm saying? He motivated. I like that man, you know what I'm saying? I like the way he going. I like the way he trying to take his company. I like the company. I like what they're doing. I understand the company. So therefore, I feel safe investing into that company. Don't go out here and blowing your money just saying something you don't even know what the company is or who running the company. Man, find out who running it. Because if the dude running it, he running to the ground. There's some folks that been running companies to the ground. And while he's putting your money into it, investing to them, he's spending your money, the company's money, out there on the yacht, in the boat, you know what I'm saying? All the women and everything, Florida. And your stock's going down. And you wondering why. It just hit you straight drop. He'd be sick. So, do your research, man. Don't put your money into nothing. It's like, dude, walk down the street to me, man, you don't take who that dude is. You ain't gonna just be putting your money to nobody to money fix no cars. You gonna make sure that, you know what I'm saying, he done seen some cars he done fix, you know what I'm saying, he's a licensed mechanic. You know he works for this company. You know, you gonna check his sheet, check his sheet. You know, do a background. It's like a dating game. You know what I'm saying? You finna date shawty, you know, or some female or some dude or whatever. You want to know what their background. You want to look at their mama. You want to look at their daddy. How many kids they got. All their baggage. You want to do all that. That's just like stock market, baby. You want to know who the CEO is. How much debt they got. You know what I'm saying? How much money they got to spend. Are they expanding? Are they investing that money? Are they just blowing it? That's what you want to know. Just like stock market. Look at that like a relationship. So I'm digging deep. I want to know where you at. Who you over there with? What you doing? What's your next moves? Alright. Talking about expanding, talking about making buildings, and increasing sales, products. Same thing like relationships. You talking about going to college. You talking about buying a house. You talking about having kids. Your game plan might not be with that game plan. If you trying to do long-term investing, and this stock is just trying to get in, get out of there, wrong thing. That ain't for you. You know what I'm saying? If this stock been doing horrible for the last 10 years, it might not be for you. You know? So you gotta do your research. Treat it like a relationship. You're just not finna just jump into no relationship. I hope not. Some of y'all do, but I advise not to jump in no relationship without getting to, know a little bit. You know, let me see who you is. Cause let me Facebook you, see who your friends is, look at your post. Just like stock market, baby. I look at their news. I look at articles. I don't read everything. I don't take everybody's word. Scat it out, research, and come up with my own conclusion. Then I look at the numbers, baby. Look at the numbers. You how you finance. Look at the numbers. Balance sheets, PE, all that stuff. If you don't know what it is, start researching it. Sometimes they even tell you their predictions. What the company value is worth. Find out what the valuation of the company is. And then you evaluate that company yourself and see if that's what you want to do. If you don't want to invest in that company, don't just be spending your money. I ain't spend my money on nothing that I don't know nothing about, nothing that I don't trust. I want to know who the dude running that joke over there, okay? So that's what I do.